Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add subtitles on Disney Plus website. So all you need to do, just go and open the browser that you can use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case, you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. So once you opened your browser, just go to the URL section, which is right here, and type disneyplus.com and hit the enter button. That will take you into this page if you are logged in into your account. If you are now logged in into your account, or if it's your first time here and you are just going to create your account, so if that's the case, you'll not find yourself here. You'll find yourself at another page. From that page, you will have an option to create your account by clicking at sign up now at the middle of your screen. And of course, you'll need to provide them with your email address and phone number, then verify them by the code that they will send you. Of course, there is a tutorial on how to create your account on Disney Plus and this channel, so just make sure to go and check it out. Of course, if you want to log in into your account, you'll find an option at the top right corner of your screen to log in into your account. So, of course, once you create your account or log into your account, you'll find yourself here at this home or main page. And of course, from here, you will be able to watch all of this, whatever you want, if you are subscribed to one of their plans. Of course, they have the monthly plan and the yearly plan. Subscribe to whatever you want, and you'll be able to start watching all of this. Of course, if you didn't find what you like into this page, you'll be able to search it at the search at the left right here. Of course, just click on it, search whatever you want here, and hopefully you will like it. So let me just go back to the home screen and start watching something to show you how to add the subtitles. So let me just click on this, watch now, and let's just wait until the player starts. So here we are, let's just wait. So as you can see, there's no subtitles, as you can see. But of course, if you want to add it, just go to the top right corner here and subtitles. Make whatever subtitles you like with whatever language you want like. As you can see, the subtitles added now. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.